Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a video in which I will show you how to connect a big sound box with mobile phone. So here are the things we need to have. We have a sound box, we have a CD player, old CD player, and we have a stereo to RCA cable. So now I'm gonna show you what I have done in the back side of the CD player, how the connection has been made. So first of all, I have connected this CD player with the power source, and now I have connected the sound box with this two port which is already present in the CD player. And the purpose of using this CD player is because I wanted to use this port. Okay, now we have this RCA cable, stereo to RCA cable. The red indicates the right audio and the left indicate left audio, and see the connection how it has been done. So now what I will do, I will connect the other end of this cable with mobile phone. So one thing has to be noticed here, that this audio cable might not support in every phone. So right now this one is supporting in this phone, so I am using it in this phone. Now if I use this one in the mobile in which I am recording, it does not work, it does not support properly. So when you are trying at your home, at your work, so you need to first check if the cable is supporting in your mobile phone or not. So what I will do, I will just connect it in my mobile phone and I will try to play music from the mobile phone and also from the internet, from the YouTube. So I have connected the cable in the mobile phone in such a way that it is supporting this phone properly. Now I will play the music. It is playing from the sound box. Now I can control the volume from my mobile. Now what I am gonna do, I am gonna play music from YouTube. So I am gonna make music play from YouTube. We can increase the volume from. Now I will change another music. So I have played the other music just to check if it is working properly. We can increase the volume again and check. You can see that there is nothing in the CD. You can open it. There is nothing. So it does not affect the music play from mobile. So in this way you can connect your old sound box with your mobile phone and you can play music directly from YouTube. So thank you for watching this video.